Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech MK950. In this video I'll show you how to remap buttons on your keyboard. To remap buttons on the keyboard, let's go to Logitech Option Plus app. Go to your keyboard and keys. Now we can remap only buttons that are functional in the top of the keyboard. For example, let's take a look at the brightness down. You can select Smart Actions, AI Actions, Smart Other Actions. You can create Smart Action and select plenty of new functions for the button. And you can change the function only for those lightened button right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.